Please subscribe to my channel, it's free, and press the bell icon for new video notification. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make any wired headphone to wireless headphone. Yes, any wired headphone to wireless headphone. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's free and it's really helpful to grow my channel. So let's start this video. First thing, we need any wired headphone or earphones. And second and important thing, we need any Bluetooth audio receiver. You can buy this from eBay or Amazon in just £2 to £3 or $3 to $4. It's cheap and work very good. So first step, connect your Bluetooth audio receiver with your iPad or iPhone or any Android phone or tablet. And also plug in your earphone or headphones in Bluetooth audio receiver. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share, and most important thing, subscribe. See you in next video.